What's up, guys? So today I'm walking around Kakaako, and this used to be kind of a dead area. Not many people hung out here. It seems to be the new hip area. There's a lot of graffiti, cool coffee shops, hip shopping spots, so I'm just gonna get all the graffiti because the graffiti here looks super cool if you can't tell. So yeah, stick around. Just about sums it up. I hope that this inspired you guys to create some cool stuff. The artists here are so talented. I'm so inspired, and I just hope that this inspired you guys too to create some cool art, or at least go out and look for some cool graffiti to take pictures of. Alright, I will see you in the next video.